In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all tasks as complete in Todoist. Even though the basic action is very simple, I'm going to walk you through it slowly and clearly, and also share a few tips so you understand exactly what's happening when you mark tasks as done in Todoist. First, make sure you're signed into your Todoist account, either on the web, desktop app, or mobile app. Once you're in, go to the project or view that contains the tasks you want to complete. This might be your inbox, today view, upcoming view, or any custom project you've created. It helps to quickly scan through your list before making any changes, so you're aware of what you're about to complete. In Todoist, each task has a small circle icon next to it. This circle is the completion button. To mark a task as complete, all you need to do is click on the circle beside the task. When you do this, the circle will usually turn into a check mark, and the task will either disappear from your active list or appear crossed out, depending on your current view settings and filters. If you want to mark multiple tasks as complete, simply repeat this action. Click the circle beside each task you've finished. Take a moment to verify each one before you click, especially if you're working through a long list. Once a task is marked complete, it will move to your completed task history, which you can review later if needed. On mobile, the behavior is the same. Open the Todoist app, navigate to the relevant project or view, and tap the circle next to each task you've finished. The visual feedback is similar. The circle becomes a check mark and the task is removed from your active list. As a tip, you might want to develop a habit of marking tasks as complete immediately after you finish them. This keeps your to-do list accurate and gives you a clear sense of progress throughout the day. It also prevents confusion later on, so you don't have to remember what you did or didn't do. That's all there is to it. To mark tasks as complete in Todoist, click or tap the circle beside the task, and Todoist will handle the rest.